NPP yaba bem yedi mfie nwotwe emre bi etwam no yedi tu nkrofo etirimu se uba mfie nwotwe a no atwe ho no obi so aba mfie nwotwe. In fact near a slogan be 2000 elections and kremu osi mukwaya ni mukwaba obi nko no obi mra ede campaign say no yaba bem mfie nwotwe no aso enti obi timeka kire yen so se mukwaya mukwaba na min susuye ni min hihye ni migidie nyina kire me se oh my Ghana sa 8 years asa ye table tennis no emoye migidie so kire me se wo do asuko pense mu a party a ebetimi abu oman yi ama ne nkoso ni nanum nyam ache no eye NPP sabi ahinidwa wo hoi wo behwe na ya akonhwe afie edibia eyiye ama bonsufo edibia eyiye efie ni nyina wo ho a omu dibia eyiye ensu kopie akonwa no kopie ya akonhwe efia na samo ato oman no aho kire ejahihye eni niam pi eto oman no nanso ekodu amabonsu fie pe na mpuntuo ne
die ne nkoso ba
eba ewo ni sentia saa so na amamuo ewo Ghana ha no migidie mapakire me se NPP is the safest pair of hands to manage the affairs of this country. Entimino Sankrofo kase breaking the eight. Enya ho na me madwene wo. Me mane nye slogan.
Na me te say 8 no ye.
Efi bia yedi. Na ye break 8 na adan ye ho na ye de ama NDC. That be me objective ni say I want to build a solid political party. A bit dominating Ghana. A kura power for the next 40 to 60 years. Unbroken. Who can't cross was yo way there? I say a daibi na also. Look, Mexico. Almost governing party a friend PRI. PRI has been in power for 75 years. I want to central. And she say, almost as she share my party. Said you almost see a building one party. Party for manina and said them so they become vested interest. We are PRI, we are PRIA, we are executive. You are an employee of PRI.
Oh, okay.
You get your salary and your benefits. The condition is that PRI be free power no. We benefits no salary a trip. Na me kwa pia and na ma boa.
Na me ma.
Na me betina ho.
Ama prayer free ho.
Prayer free ho.
Ti me kwa ma pray.
Sanete e was say MPP de ye. Yes, e was say ye nhihye bia. E fomfo no behu se o mo nsa dem ye ninja wo mo. We have to welcome and embrace them. No mo ntiase se wo mo adwumaden ehu akatua ehu faso wo mo nsa beka. So for me that is the first thing. Boakye Agyarko mede me hu ama party say ye beto aba party for enya mi adom me share me politics asiache 1978 on Legon campus na me ne Boakye no. We were the youth leaders for Popular Front Party. You Kyeremateng 79. And yet kobo from say po because you muche.
UNC.
You kura mo ya mekaisa 81 you called Tamale to try and rebuild the opposition alliance. You free Tamale edru and crying. Near much chessing you called Tamale.
This is serious.
Anye na abunsam agyadwa ewo yentem enti ohwete bibia ye kura mo na mediwie legon me ne kwampie nim na ye adwuma ona tete me Mr. Kwampie so bekaya November 82 there was a coup attempt ema ye che Kwampie nim ye jailed for 18 years but he served 10 years and Sunday 7 months later a brand here many so she operations political operations yes say Jiwa haludi Jiwa num coup 19th June 1983 ye che me wo in front of broadcasting GBC the make call Air Force Station eko bo mitio
what you boat you like finish you
put against the wall and shot a number of bullets. Nina FRBM EPA ubechi. And the make 37 mortuary. A honor nurse be who sa kwe omui. Dr. Akpaluada Roma and uchicha jimi. Omo na kache him say anuma uche biaswa ojeboba. And now was me call exile. I spent 18 years in exile.
From 83.
From 83.
You were shot.
Yes. Nina ye de SOMPA.
Wow.
Ye de ku amaye man. Yakomo 92. Me na me share NPP US party. That was the first chairman from 92 to 98. Ya sumu ya ako. Na me wo Bank of New York as a vice president. Enti nanya dia mi bejai say adwuma no aba because I had to spend 20 years at the bank say na be ya means be coming benefits and na enwuma bia na gumi so at that time no ujaya putuprum
you rose to the position of vice president.
Yes,
of
I was
New
in
York.
the bank for 22 years na edru mire bi no mpanyifo bebre tu me fo say politics a waje gina ma wo ye ne dendenden no nya America ne ye no brefie peniampa me sa me niama brefie. I was one of the people 17 am contested presidential primaries many a preku ne alan nom ne ade na ye wie sa election primaries no of course anko yi and the question was me say nyanko America nko to amedwuma so ana because me fit bank or no. They gave me a 10-year leave of absence. Teachers say me call anytime. Come back anytime. But I decided to say, you know, my service is here. And the other day I made it to change. Mitinemu a year juma party a juma. Manko baby out. Yes, I make a fair juma be and obi san frɛ me and na me debi. I stayed. A year juma party a juma. I became campaign manager for Kufuor from 2010. I became the national campaign manager for 2012 elections. A jumadia ye a convincing ye nyina say we indeed won the elections. And the Maya Kukudro, Yadiko Supreme Court. A Juma ye nimpe face a day ya winning number and then the Maya Kukudro, I Yadiko Supreme Court. 2014, Yabeko 2016. And now, Mrs. Sami position from campaign manager to policy advisor. NPP manifestos from 2008. A bia niwa means send him. This is 2020. 2020 there, my man.
Okay.
manifesto biya ya tworo no minsa wo 2017 ye win it 2016 then I became energy minister adwuma me ye ho no e da di pefe nye dumso ne tu mama
yes
within 6 months I controlled dumso e ya adwuma den de ebesi esi na eno akire no obi bisa se na den na wan koso an contest ti se bia Alan ana adai ni mo de mi susu ye de ne se na Akufo-Addo edom etu odi nachi ye call rounds 2008 a ye campaign nyina as an aspirant obeti mi mpanyimfo ti make sure say abrante yesrewa nyabutre wonim kasa wachire se wo do party wachire se wonim party adwuma waye adwuma ma party nemo Akufo-Addo
mreni
ena wabre onu asom ache abre enti munyai ma no na odini die wia msem onyado na muso na oye aspirant na mpanyimfo a omo we asem we kosi tachiman na omo kasa kirewa na omo kirewo se esom ho hia wo mo enti ewie no na me decide is okay mekwa akoboa Akufo-Addo because he had become the elephant in the room misusu say signing the kusie ni 2012 he will still win so what is the point yamwano non winning number ni only president o free wa na kwan bi na yen bloody fufu ayaka no yetimi anya kwan afem that is why I joined his organization and I can say so no wie ni dia e kwan bebi nyame ncha de obewie ni de this is second term osan ba enye yie e kwan ya bie enti meso matiesi timinya foforo in that regard.
Okay,
my attitude is that NPP for e niema mienu se mo po bia o ti mo party ase onim mo hia sep waye adwuma mamo e de nka ye Boakye Agyarko. You see the comparison is ye koyi abusua panyin bia so no e wo so hunu abusua no na se ne nhihye na chiwade ne nyina wo hunu a ene na otimi di ba abusua no ho ban elidi omo komani Oko Acts chapter 1 from verse 15 to 25 Samre no a na Judas ekuno ni epe na names ni no e dey ansem na omo kan omo se ye pe obi a ye ni free ahyase from John the Baptist a pencil ekosi Christ time one Christ wu sorry ya ojai ho e dey nti na omo kasa
omo yi Barnabas
e dey ntra omo po obi a ote asem na se na onkoye no motromodo kokurasa enko kan nwunan amagidie no entosni enti no omo Peter e kan asasem Paul amantem any Bible mu baby Paul you see nyankopon ene edi adesua bi so a Paul was not a disciple.
No.
He was an apostle. Paul onimse Peter and John no mo ho. Bibia ni okwo na se wo Jerusalem. No dey no ya sumafo. At no point in a Paul try say obedi Peter no mo ade. Obey a disciple. He remained an apostle. Enti sansem ho mo kano ya na propaganda no yɛmfa nto nkyɛn ɛno ɛwini election mu po bi a NPP for po bi a ɔbɛte wɔn ase wɔn nim baabi a wɔn yɛ odie wɔ a ɛne Agyarko hwɛ ekuro bi ni hɔ a memfa NPP campaign ɛnkɔ wɔ Ghana ha
every time,
every place nook and cranny nano me de Akufo-Addo me de no call ekuro bi etwi so praso ɔso bɔ ahyɛ na haka Ghana ɛyɛ de na ohunu anam so papa yɛ ni abre sɛ bia yakɔ Nabdam constituency na boys ɔmo awie adwuma ne yakɔ tra pielum na meni ɔmo ayi pito yɛtwa kakra ana yakɔ zɔkɔ ana sɔn wone Kofi Daakonom ene Vaidanom motika mu frigoka yɛkɔ SOMPA anadwoka akɔsɛi yɛpia ka ana ufra dwofo a ɛkɔ yametwa nkwanta ka sɛi anadwo dasuom ɛwɔ so opɛ polling station ni bi a ɔte mpɔtam hɔ wakɔda ne veranda so ade akye wo sɔre anɔpa a wahunu polling station nipa korɔ no ne yaw na sitrem enti sɛ woni ne deal a you deal from the position of empathy so no you deal from a position, and I've done this all my life in this political space. Oye NPP in Semton Chenya. Amamu. We are not looking for Obia defeat NDC and John Mahama. That is not the ultimate. Because as for John Mahama, anybody can defeat him. But Obia okra economy noa. There's confidence, there's credibility. So obetimi and solve your problems. That's what we are looking for. Look, challenges are at that MPP and abayibia enimeno. One, unemployment, particularly youth unemployment.
Yeah.
Nietoso infrastructure. We have underinvested in infrastructure. Ya kwan ni ade a ye ken enye se ye nye hu bibia na adwuma no so sen de ye nye susu ye so far bigger than we imagined.
This frankness.
So no enti dia wo ye bia it is as if it's a drop in the bucket. Last week na me kan Ghana Highway Authority wo mo plan and budget for highways alone. They need 16 billion US dollars. 16 billion. 3 billion no, but there's a way to finance it.
How?
Share a buying sika a nonce, but private sika a dose. Huh? There are BBI from super funds. They do investments around the world. Super fund be a ne capital would invest in a given time is almost $1 trillion. China said so all their highways are private developments are yet told. So there is a way. You have to be creative. A creative intellect finds solutions.
Not just say, if I understand you are, though highways was 16 billion budget, but given the opportunity, I bring it on board private people. I'm on my told.
Yes.
I quite know be is maintained. Tinipalan I'm quite no to Yatwana and Hano.
There be a communist country like China. All their major highways are private investments. Also. Yes, sorry, as you cocoa roads. The the quality of construction it's poor. Adentina, just off the top of my head. Adentina young fat company bit is a Sonitra. Now Sonitra, all these cocoa roads, we want the road to last 20 years. you take an insurance on it. But there is going to be a toll. Cocoa trucks no omuntia toll maybe. But any other private vehicle or person offer cocoa roads so no. Betia. It is a US. There is the I-95 and the Merit Parkway. Person utia toll no offer Merit.
And also said do be do now be
bread. So no. Then we can say a bicycle onya free cocoa mu no enya cocoa farmers de no aban no ansika ne share no ye beyi a certain percentage at their services akwan no and ha cocoa farmers, but you've improved the system. Ebio the highest say ebubuye Brony Becker say fiscal crisis. You see kasem so hwe ehun akwachi da bia meka se usuhye wo niema yi a ehwie mu wan fan to ba bia wo se da ebifrato na ahwiase wo hoi ebeba na wo hwiase na de ahobrase etase wo niema esan hihye ne yi a ehwie mu bi
bia ofri hwiase no mfri on top bio
enti yesika sam so hwe ene na ndi yan hye niema bi yi enti no ene na dia bedru sabre but we can recover
and it so
no enti nye say ye keka no saa kwa ebio your governance you say oh ni edi tu who say fourth republic no ya system from democracy to in the democracy no ya change your buying the number of times. That is not the end of it. Your electoral system will Ghana there be a identity na buy there am hihie na ba identity na ye kotoa ba e wo so be feels I was me bowe gumbi because our electoral system has not been developed to a standard of a mature democracy. And we say yehwe near this adwuma no. Challenge back we be there him water and sanitation. A fee any a wura emne yen. And no ebe challenge. And na ewiemu sakraya ebe climate change. Say World Meteorological Organization announces say El Nino weather system be ashase. Say amfa flooding nsu yire na eba na de ope
we see
eneba so ya boa ye ho ana El Nino mai nsu toke to abia na yire na El Nino be so ya boa enunum ne niema e wo se ye face but putu prum unemployment e wo se kwan bia so no se NPP ye perceive win 2024 unemployment is going to be one key. Look, in politics it is what have you done for me lately?
Because Ghana year 2020 you could see say school free SHS was the mantra. I don't think NPP 2024 you can make so much noise.
Look,
free SHS.
President Kufuor. President Kufuor. A dear programs partner President Kufuor and Farmer
2008.
You lose 2008.
You could list them. And so Ghana force come the one.
Massa, I know dear old man a chum.
I mean where the was crack or
dear the Dananim.
Dear neighbor.
So education will still be important because if we are some SSA.
That's right.
Ya nshedi ya manu ombe ya titekwa. Ya mawon modern good quality education. Ya manu ombe ya titekwa. And now be a television here there is artificial intelligence. For your primary schools. Na koshe won tibia na fatoto active obia onu same age also artificial intelligence. enti wo say ye bomodin na ye pagem healthcare, housing, transportation, security of our citizens. Nano ablekuma. Daylight. Kwabranie nya kukudro abobitu ewia.
Ku police ni kwa.
Ku police ni kwa. Saa hyehyɛ ɛna misusu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Boakye Agyarko ɛne NPP yɛtumi de ba ɛbɛboa Ghana. You see, tobe a ɛne NDC yɛ no me ɛho hia me o wonya me da sɛ mokakɔtra radio so na NDC MP masa ɛnyɛ no ɛna Ghanafoɔ to aba man o. They want solutions. Yay, NPP, ni NDC, we are not each other's enemies. For we represent different points of view. So no, our real enemy in this country is poverty. Oh, here, bro.
Saying the economy.
And no, and I was say Yadwini Basu say, saying the economy a defeat poverty, not defeat NDC or NDC defeat NPP. How do we defeat poverty? And no sano, and yet Yansante Bokroso. I was saying in a Timothy Adwini inside MPP and other political actors. The Timothy Adwini said, look, say poverty, young quentia and defeating one. Yet didn't sa na Christ asamba. No baswa ubi try Keynes antasa because we wasted time.
Kind of politicians you betray mapa.
Betray mapa because we wasted time. Me wojidie mapa ewo Ghana and its future. Ain't na me decided say America, whatever it is, means Ghana is where I can make a difference. It also be and yes me di two I have a capacity to understand our situation and look at the solutions, ability, make me strategize, say, my policy advisor, manifesto near the manchro be kwa. It is based on a certain capacity. It's based on certain capacity. Nonkrofo, Agyarko, Timini ni pa ye adwuma de. Aba.
Yes, so do any panya.
Ebi no mo na Timini ni pa nya adwuma.
That every minister of energy now amona na no mejo.
Bank of New York am survival 20
for
something
vice
years.
President to rise to that crescendo.
Why no na me ni omo ye adwuma? You see, it is the discipline I bring.
Oh, okay.
There is no people, no organization, or no nation a bit to me survival without discipline.
Okay. Now I understand why some people are saying that I had a free flow.
That be master. Yentimi.
We are strict and disciplined. Our institution, you are seen like some. We are awkward. We are quite or channel. Bro, any Bible, money English, too known.
We were too known. Nano me interview be na obia free host ni sa akwa we good pardon so ba obe block system no.
Oba block system.
Aye. And na bi pakro bi san say system be o say eja kwa de
as I am fa na obi antimi fa ba bi nwura ni akra. Also ba be ne pampe.
So no. For me, these are the things I bring to the table.
Okay.
So no. These are the things I bring to the table. Na send ye beya o man ye befa yente me pe biefra.
Because indiscipline is killing Ghana.
Oh.
Indiscipline is killing Ghana.
Oh, ya sorry ye kasa bi na uko Malaysia na uko Singapore. Do you know what they had to do? Lee Kuan Yew, first class double from Cambridge, on in the year. And a young Kubrebo, Omuna called Cambridge. Obedi Prime Minister, and Omumi and Senina Ba back to Singapore. Almost situation in a rem, but he brought such discipline. The young Kubrebo, okoji bribe no yedin businessman being a man a ticket so unko holiday. When Lee Kuan Yew found out, he sacked him and jailed him for 10 years. He sent a signal to everybody that Jerry Rawlings, Oba first, also be in regiment on time. Time on Union Rucran or curfew. That's what you need better than Namquanso. I said, but them need see and go Munda Namwasum. Those are the kinds of things Lee Kuan Yew had to impose on Singapore to grow it. Are we willing as a nation to subject ourselves? Say, yenye pimpins one akro. As someone atoyeno eso. Timunina yenye pimpins one akro. Niye momodini yenye hu free sa IMF. This is the 17th time cool. It means every 3.5 years you IMF. Masa. Yes, here. By 1927, by 2027, coupon rates will rise again. Already, rates are rising in Ghana.
Yes.
If the coupon na 18% no cry no, ye can yet abandon timintia. So if the coupon rates uptick to say 25, you are back to square one. IMF a document OSHA 65 paragraphs in yina. A BNA address the fundamental problem. Your womb. A my
I say yes, Susano.
Bruni is palliative. A mount a Susano kakra a mount stability.
Mouse some talk kakra.
But you see, yes, yeah, approval program near Bussy. It's a be nearbo. Yes, a beer quine among your quenya,
see the international and Cobobos and San Cobobos, Ladinamia. A Jawaku.
Alatani, or say which one this one? Waka Bobusia, I'm a watcher. Ye beer quine, will see who Bossy say. That is not where this country ought to be heading. So no. Na yang kasano ebia yen kan ene ye yensi yebo. Sa de ye famu. Enya sam foforo. Since 1952, we've been facing this situation. In fact, Buzi Abaye na sa e kasemi a minimum mine to oma consultants be beye adwuma bi e ma Ghana. The actual book is called Development and the Debt Trap: Economic Planning and External Borrowing in Ghana by Andrzej Krasowski. Page 20, just a paragraph.
Okay.
I'll say.
It will be 2-3 minutes to wrap up.
CS and Ross. CS and Ross had already prepared the ground by arguing that Ghana's problem of instability and recurring inflation could be tackled by a planned diversification of exports away from cocoa and restructuring, that is, engineering a closer balance between the structure of domestic output and domestic demand. 1952. As someone almost came in and said, baby, I seek a free band. It's a Mia is a free band. It's a cocoa. Since a young oil cracker. We get more money out of cocoa than oil. Coil ni cocoa ni magani in kete sad. Now so near my yen ye hiano. Yen produce how? Ye crack. And a near my ye cran. A sign say ye turn a man send jasso for full intino. Debiano, not the cat. And today I recommend say Montrim near ma musika baby amunye sika fred montrem ena niema mo betimi mo hia wo ha mo di wo ha no yesre mo anyado mo produce wo ha nanka eden na first no obitimi kogina post office no a fail for no a order chocolate from England chocolate no cocoa no wo de akono fufufu amo akoye chocolate e wa broche na wo kwabrane ugina post office e fail for say wo to hazelnut chocolate e free abroach which one this one ti sa problem say yan tackle no at the root source IMF de ye beko be yakoniaba we have to resolve say sadly ye besia no enye man bia na ko IMF
okay
so no ena me nya danko dada de bibia na ye de akosha COVID-19 in Ukraine he mabrewa oti fenfen ana oti SK Ukraine onti ni dinda
onte so graso
ena ono onti ase se dokuno ebo aye double onti ase yemfa eno nto lo amane ni esan ni asem de ebeba eba de na wo ye de free that is what we as a political leadership ought to be talking about. We have to spend our time talking about fiscal issues and particularly unemployment. Okay? Emranti ne mabawa womu ko edi akonia ba yenhunu bebi ye trife. Say nyame anya ya adom
is a time bomb.
Na ye ni amre say ye beye bibi ama womu dachi ni won dankwa ama esi won yi a dakro ehwe ombeshi ye kuruma no me could ye minsro because 66 school me hu ku bia ensi Ghana ha me hu bi ebi wo mu me ye bo mi ti o enti obi
enkwala ahwe no de unya nhunu bi
ye nhunu bi na wo so no o ba plan bia no hu
abta be dabi now share Sri Lanka
hwe soja ni bi obetwitio no or agenda.
Yes.
Limited damage.
Yes.
Na mrantie mabunu apapahia pa for etisi promo.
Etisi mali ni Boakye.
Masa. Oye den.
You're about to Agyarko. Yemre no ayabe. There na wo catch delegates finally. In a minute or two.
They make catch delegates true. Munya gidi sunkubi ewo ye party. This is the best Ghana has. Timunya DJ Surunkubi na monsom monfa mo hwedie enso ewo mu se mumu pi wo hwa ade ne ye che na nso so no kre ai sa chichidi muadom adidie achichide obedi bi ese wonsa ye fi but monko sonsom momre beba die etosomienu momomani nna ho kan se mo koyi mo obusua panyi mo koyi obi a obe kura party no ama na gina yie ama ye di winning power akobuman nema ni pi wo ha ye keke kan ene me ame wo fa se be keke me be man certificate in propaganda
Wow, fast.
Me what fast in me be man certificate in propaganda. And some bebre wa propaganda nko. You kofi ba ko se propaganda.
Propaganda.
So no. Yem ma ye ni na ho. Na yem po obi a obetime de asem no akọ. Because you see the messenger is as credible as the message. Say, oh, a good message. Now there's a credibility issue with the messenger. Obienti. Ti mesremu nyado. Sa mu po obi a obegina brain. Aka no kura kyeremu. Ewo tema. Ewa hu brasia oni mo beye adwuma. Ene mo pa Boakye Agyarko ho a enye yi.
Piao ni den ni Boakye Agyarko. Sene mote no. Waba wa santimante wa minim se delegates ahodo oni mu behyiehia na nsɛm a wabrogu hɔ na idie wa fa kwa twintwirim ne duru sɛ mu yi ne ɔsɛ fata kan nsɛm wɔ nyinaa let her be your guide. Mo general secretary aka asɛm bi ɔsi mfie nsia ni obi ɔkura wuhu n'anim da obi ɔkura ɔntena wo nkyɛn da ɛnyɛ sɛ nipa no na ɔba abɛka kyerɛ wo police station sɛ kɔtoma wei busa ho sɛ sɛ nipa no mfie bɛnsia sɛ no wahu no pɛn ɔno akora deɛ no ayɛ de aboa wo constituency ne wo police station mo yɛ num no mo general secretary Justin Kodia say mo kɔto aba mo mfa madwene nye enticement from any source ɛna mo mfa nto aba no me dem bɛsi ha ɔpɛni me da ase
Oban ni miso me do ase.
Ya mi sira.
Mumu ni adwuma.
Me da ase.